So I think video is going to be live. So it is taking little bit 1 minute of time, no problem. Okay. So how are you all? All of you are. I feel that all of you are very much fine. And be at home, be safe. Okay. Take care of your health. Taking care of your health is in your hand. How much you are going to be restricted yourself, that much you are going to be safe. Okay. So all of you, please be at home and be safe. Don't go outside. Respect corona, then corona will respect you. Okay. So how much respectful you are going to be with the restrictions of corona pandemic, that much it is going to help you. So please everyone, be at home and be safe. Wash your hands regularly and use sanitizers. Be safe. Okay. So good morning to everyone. Welcome to our straight lines chapter, that is lecture 4. And I think all of you enjoyed your Sunday and also enjoyed your Saturday. There were no classes for 2 days, and I think all of you are very much happy that there was no class. How many are happy that you were not having the classes on Saturday and Sunday? Please reply me. You have to tell the truth. Okay. So how are you all? I think all of you are fine. Okay, let us start the class. And introduction is already over, and distance between 2 points is already over. Definition of slope is already over, and slope of the line when coordinates of any 2 points are given is over. Conditions for parallel and perpendicularity is also already over. Now we have to continue with angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Okay. So see, whenever two lines are going to intersect each other, there is going to be an angle between them. You can see here, you have two lines which are intersecting each other, which are intersecting each other. Okay. So L1 and L2 are intersecting each other, where L1 is making alpha 1 as angle with x-axis, where L2 is making alpha 2 with x-axis, and here you can see theta and pi are the two angles made by L1 and L2, made by L1 and L2. Now we have to find this theta and pi. Now we have to find this theta and pi, which are the angles between two lines. Please reply me, all of you. Are you following me? Are you following my words? Are you getting my concept? Still, most of you are not attending. Today, very less students are in live class. So please tell all your friends to attend. Okay, don't waste time. Class is at 10 a.m. means 10 a.m. you have to join the class. Okay, so now you just see the explanation of diagram. Now you just see the explanation of diagram. Let L1 and L2 be the two lines. Let L1 and L2 be the two lines. L2 be the two lines intersecting each other, intersecting each other, intersecting each other, making an angles, making an angles, making an angles theta and phi between them, between them. Okay, so here we have to find this theta and phi. Clear? L1 and L2 are the two lines intersecting each other, making an angles theta and phi between them. Here, here we can see that, we can see that alpha 1 and alpha 2 are the angles, are the angles made by, are the angles made by L1 and L2 with x-axis. L1 and L2 with x-axis. Okay, angles made by L1 and L2 with x-axis. Clear? So now using this phi 1, sorry, using this alpha 1 and alpha 2, using this alpha 1 and alpha 2, I want to define the slope of line 1 and the slope of line 2. So can you anyone tell me what is slope of line 1 and slope of line 2? Because to find the angle between two lines, finding the slope of L1 and slope of line 2 is very important. So that's why I am asking, can you anyone tell me what is the slope of line 1 and what is the slope of line 2? Quickly tell me. Using alpha 1 and alpha 2, you should tell me the slope of L1 and L2. Very good, Vaibhav. Correct answer. Very good, Sangeeta. Neha, correct answer. Very good. So M1 will be alpha 1 and M2 will be alpha 2. Sorry, M1 will be tan alpha 1. M2 will be tan alpha 2. Very good. Sukumar is also giving the right answer. Vijeta is also giving the right answer. So all of you should reply. Okay. If you reply, then only I can understand that you are getting the concept. Very good. Nalan Goda is also giving correct answer. Mega, Ashok. Very good. Rekha, Priya, all of you are giving the right answer. Okay. So now you see here. If this is theta, this angle will be also equal to theta because they are vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. Right. So now, can you tell me what is alpha 2 equal to? Quickly tell me what is alpha 2 equal to. Alpha 2 is exterior angle. So now tell me, how can I find alpha 2? Quickly tell me what is alpha 2 equal to. That is exterior angle. Alpha 2 equal to, how can I write? Very good. That is exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles, alpha 1 plus theta. Okay. So all of you are giving the right answers. Shreya, Priya, Neha, Sudha, Vaibhav, Mahesh. All has to reply. Okay. Netra, Bhagya is also giving the right answer. Sushma is also giving the right answer. Madhu. Okay, very good. That means all of you know that exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. Very good. So now by using this equation, I will write theta is equal to alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Theta is equal to alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Very good. So now I can apply tan on both sides. That will be tan theta equal to tan of alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Tan of alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Very good. So I think all of you know the formula of tan of A minus B. Quickly tell me what is tan of A minus B formula. Fast. All of you must know the formula of tan of A minus B. You have to tell me what is tan of A minus B. Come on everyone, you can tell me the answer. I know all of you know the formula of trigonometries. Please tell me what is tan of A minus B. Tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Right. So this is the formula for tan of A minus B. Very good, Vaibhav, Sudha, Darshan, Neha. Very good. Only few are replying. Chaitan is also replying now. In 86 students, only few 5 to 10 students are replying. Raju is replying, Radha, Basamma, Sushma. Now they are replying. Okay, no problem. So now I will use this formula here. That is tan alpha 2 minus tan alpha 1 divided by 1 plus tan alpha 2 into tan alpha 1. Okay. So Shiv Kumar, Sridevi, Kasturi, Shweta, Ashok, Pavitra, all of you have given the right answer. Very good. Keep it up. Okay. Tan alpha. Okay. So now I got tan theta equal to tan alpha 2 minus tan alpha 1 divided by 1 plus tan alpha 2 into tan alpha 1. Very good. So now you can see that what is tan alpha 2? Tan alpha 2 is nothing but your slope 2, that is m2. Tan alpha 1 is your slope 1 divided by 1 plus m2 into m1. That means this implies tan theta equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m2 into m1. Tan theta equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m2 into m1. Okay. So now we have solved half of the theorem. We got theta. We got theta. Okay. Now we have to find pi. So how to find pi? Please tell me. Using this theta, tell me what is pi equal to. We find tan theta. Now we have to go for tan pi. So for that reason, what is pi? Using your diagram of L1 and L2, please tell me what is pi. It will be 180 minus theta. All of you quickly tell me, have you understood this? So that is tan theta equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Very good. 180 minus theta. So we got tan theta. Now we can find tan phi. Clear? Okay. Let us find tan pi here. What is tan pi equal to? See, tan pi equal to tan of 180 minus theta. Tan pi equal to tan of 180 minus pi. Quickly tell me what is tan of 180 minus pi. It is in second quadrant. So tan is negative in second quadrant. So that's why minus tan theta will be your solution. Tan pi equal to tan of 180 minus theta. That is minus tan theta, because tan is in second quadrant. We all know that in second quadrant tan is negative. So tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. That will be your minus of, what is tan theta? Tan theta is m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Very good. So all of you are giving the right answers. So from this we got two terms. Tan theta is m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m2 into m1, and another one is tan pi equal to minus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. That is, now we got tan theta equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2, and tan pi equal to minus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. We got both the angles. We got both the angles. So my dear students, here you have to remember one thing. You have to remember one very important thing, that is, if theta is acute, if theta is acute, pi is obtuse. Suppose pi is acute, theta will be obtuse. Okay, you will get two cases. That is, one, if theta is acute, pi will be obtuse. If pi is acute, theta will be obtuse. Okay, so I think all of you know this. So from this, I think you can understand that. That is, if theta is acute, pi is obtuse. If pi is acute, theta will be obtuse. So that we have to solve now. Case 1 and case 2. See, in case 1, if theta is positive, then pi is negative. Pi is negative. And case 2 is, if theta is negative, then pi is positive, because here theta is acute and pi is obtuse. Okay, because here theta is obtuse and pi is acute. All of you know that acute means lesser than 90 degree. Lesser than 90 degree means first quadrant, it should be positive. Obtuse means it is more than 90 degree, it is in second quadrant, it should be negative. So that is what the reasons for case 1 and case 2. So therefore tan theta will be keeping in mod m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So this is your answer. Clear? So angle between two lines is given by tan theta equal to mod of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So quickly give me smileys, all of you. How many of you understood this? How many of you understood this? All of you must reply. Any doubts? Very good. If you have any doubts, quickly you can ask. Okay. If you have doubts, please ask. Use sanitizers. Okay. All of you are telling that yes. Most of you are telling yes. Some of you are telling no. I saw one or two students are telling no. Ashok, Sangeeta, and some of you are telling no. No problem. Raju. Okay. Ashok, Raju, Sangeeta, please once watch this video again after the end of this class. So still if you don't understand it, you can put me the messages. No problem. Okay. Once you watch the video, once again you watch the video, try to understand. Still if you have the problems, you can ask the doubts, no problem. So anyways, notes I will be giving by the end of this class. I will put for your WhatsApp groups. These notes will be available in the WhatsApp group so that you can take and you can keep that notes with you for the preparation for exams. And you can also watch the video wherever you are getting the doubts. You rewind the video and you can watch it after the end of this class. Still, if you have doubts, you can ask. Okay. So now, shall we move for the problem? Okay. Now we shall move to the problem. That is, see here, find the angle between find the angle between find the angle between two lines. Find the angle between two lines. That is, line is pi by 4 and slope of one line is 1 by 2. If the angle between two lines is pi by 4 and slope of one of the line is 1 by 2, find the slope of another line. Find the slope of another line. Okay. So here you have that is angle between two lines is given. Angle between two lines is pi by 4. Angle between two lines is pi by 4. See, angle between two lines is given, that is pi by 4. Angle between two lines is given, that is pi by 4. Slope of the line is 1 by 2. You have to find the slope of another line. You have to find the slope of another line. Okay. So now let us write what is given. See the solution. Okay, see the solution here. Angle theta equal to pi by 4, slope m1 equal to 1 by 2. Now we shall find slope m2. That is, we know that tan theta equal to mod of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay. So using this, we have to find our required answer. So here tan theta value is pi by 4. Mod of m1. So m2 is 1 by 2. Sorry, m2 is as it is. m1 is 1 by 2. So divided by 1 plus m1 is 1 by 2 into m2 is m2 by 2. Okay. So now angle between two lines is pi by 4. We have to find the slope of another line by using this. Quickly tell me what is tan pi by 4. Very good. Tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 equal to mod of m2 minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus m2 divided by 2. Okay. If I take out this mod, all of you know that mod has got two choice, that is plus or minus. So that will be plus or minus 1 equal to m2 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus m2 divided by 2. So take LCM and simplify, that will be 2m2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus m2. So divided by 2 will get cancelled. No problem. So therefore first case 1 for positive, for plus 1, that is 1 equal to 2m2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus m2. Do the cross multiplication. 2 plus m2 will be equal to 2m2 minus 1. So this will be 2 plus 1 equal to 2m2 minus m2. Therefore m2 equal to 3. m2 equal to 3. Very good. Sudha has got the right answer, that is m2 equal to 3. Vaishnavi also got the right answer, m2 equal to 3. Basama also got the right answer, that is m2 equal to 3. Very good. Shivaji has telling 3 and minus 1 by 3. Okay, let us solve second case. Case 2. You see case 2 for minus 1. You see case 2 for minus 1, that is minus 1 equal to 2m2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus m2. Do the cross multiplication, that will be minus 2 minus 2m2 equal to 2m2 minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 equal to, this will be, you can just see here, this is m2. Okay. So this will be equal to 2m2 minus m2. So minus m2, if it comes on this side, it will be plus m2. So minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. This is 3m2. Therefore, m2 equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay. Sorry there. My photo is, I think you are getting disturbance with this part. So sorry for that. I will write it in the next page. You can just see minus 2 minus m2. Minus 2 minus m2 equal to 2m2 minus 1. So this will be minus 2 plus 1, 2m2 plus m2, that will be minus 1 will be equal to 3m2. So m2 will be minus 1 by 3. Okay. Therefore, required slope is m2 equal to 3 and minus 1 by 3. This is your answer. This is your answer. Clear? So quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this? I have written this part in the next page so that you can take, no problem. Quickly tell me, all of you understood this problem? We have to finish this class. So in this class I have done angle between two lines. So all of you, please tell me, any doubts? Okay, tomorrow I will ask all of you. Tomorrow I will go for the next concepts. I think all of you understood this. So use sanitizers, use mask, maintain social distance, be at home, be safe. Clear? My dear students, you are in 11th standard, so that you got lot of time to prepare for board exam as well as your competitive exams. So prepare for IIT mains, NEET, KCET. Okay, because this is the wonderful time for all of you. There is no disturbance of anything for you. You have to be at home. You have to be at home, and you have to. There are no rules which can restrict you inside the home. So please be at home and prepare for IIT mains, NEET, and KCET. Okay, please prepare for exams, because most of the students are using this time for preparing for competitive exams. Please understand that. Okay, soon I am going to come with one of the motivation video. Who all seen my status yesterday, they can know this. I will give the dates and time as soon as possible, and in that motivation video I am going to discuss how to prepare for IIT exams, how to prepare for KCET exams, what all books you have to refer. So please concentrate on that. Soon I am going to come with that video, and I will share the link with all of you. So please watch that. Okay. So thank you. Let's meet in the next session. Let's meet in the next session. Take care. Bye.